How to fix WhatsApp voice message ear speaker problem. First, check your ear speaker before diving into settings. Ensure your ear speaker isn't obscured by dirt or debris. Gently clean the area with a soft cloth. Then adjust the WhatsApp audio settings. Open up WhatsApp and go to your settings. Tap on storage and data. Then check the audio settings for any issues, such as muted notifications or volume adjustments. Ensure media volume is up. Check if your media volume is turned up. You can do this by pressing the volume buttons while a voice message is playing. Then toggle earpiece mode. If your phone is stuck in earpiece mode, this might be the cause. Try toggling it by placing a call to someone and then turning off the speakerphone. Test your WhatsApp voice message again. You can also disable Bluetooth. If you have a Bluetooth device connected like a headset, it could be redirecting the sound. Disable Bluetooth temporarily and check if the issue persists. Make sure you're also using the latest version of WhatsApp. If you're not, just update it. Sometimes a simple restart can monitor software glitches, so just hold the power button and restart your device. Test your ear speaker with another app like your phone's default voice recorder or a music app. This will help you determine if the issue is specific to WhatsApp or if it's a hardware problem. If the issue persists, after following these steps, consider reaching out to WhatsApp support or your device's customer service for further assistance. If this helped you, subscribe.